Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera and very good day everyone. So in this video we are going to go for the next part of differentiation, where we are going to discuss about the implicit differentiation techniques. Okay, in implicit differentiation we are going to see two variables will be used in one equation. If you read the sentence there, you can see that it mentioned you are going to deal with two variables. So let us go into the example. So let's say the first example here asks you to calculate the differentiation. You need to calculate the differentiation for the equation of x squared plus y cubed equals to 100x. So if you see here, we have two variables, which is variable x and also variable y in one equation. Also, you have another variable x. So basically what we are going to use here is an implicit differentiation method. So we just need to differentiate as usual, where if you try to differentiate x to the power of 2, what we are going to get here is, we are going to get 2x plus with differentiate y cubed, we are supposed to get 3y to the power of 2. And if we try to differentiate 100x, we are going to get 100. But here, since we are dealing with the implicit differentiation, you need to do something on the part of y. Here. So basically, you are going to get 2x plus 3y power of 2. Since you differentiate y with respect to x, so you must put next to it is dy over dx equals to 100. Okay, the part of x here, we just need to put it as usual. The only things that you need to add is you need to multiply the results of the differentiation of y with dy dx. Okay, then what we are supposed to do, we are going to bring the things without dy dx to the other side. So this is without dy dx, so we are going to bring it to the other side. So you are going to get here 3y to the power of 2 dy over dx is equals to 100 minus with 2x, because we bring a addition to the other side, so it becomes a subtraction. So this is a multiplication, so you are going to get here dy over dx is equals to 100 minus with 2x divided by 3y to the power. So you already get the things that we would try to find, which is dy dx. So this is your dy dx, so you just need to stop. Okay, you can pause the video and try to do it again without looking into the answer. Or we can strictly go to the exercise part here. So let me try to do the first example here. So if you see here, you have the two variables also, which is x and y. You have x here, and you have y here. So basically, you need to apply the implicit differentiation techniques. So if we try to differentiate 2x cubed, you are going to get here 6x to the power of 2. If you differentiate 2y, so we are going to get here 2, but since we're dealing with y, so you need to put dy dx at the back of it. Equals to 45 y to the power of 4. So since we deal with y, so you need to put dy dx. So make sure the dy dx will be on the left side. So you are going to get here 2 dy over dx minus with 45 y to the power of 4 dy dx is equals to bring the negative 6 to the other side, so you're going to get negative 6x to the power of 2. So here 2 minus with 45, you are going to get negative 43 dy dx is equals to negative 6x to the power of 2. Then therefore you can see that the value of your dy over dx is equals to negative 6x to the power of 2 divided by 40. Okay, this is when you try to answer question regarding dy dx. Now let's see what happens if we want to find the second part here, which is the question here asks you to find also dx over dy. So we need to differentiate with respect to y now. So now let us see here on how to deal with the things. Right, so let me put the border there, which is we are going to go for another question. So now we need to find what is the previously is dy dx, so we need to find what is the dx over dy is equals to. So just the same thing, which is we are going to get, if we try to differentiate 2x cubed, we are going to get 6x to the power of 2. Differentiate 2y here, you are going to get plus with 2, and if you differentiate 9y power of 5, you'll still get 45y to the power of 4. But the difference here is, because you differentiate everything with respect to y, so the value of x here, you are going to put something next to it, which is you are going to get here dx over dy. But here, it still remain as 2. You need to put anything. If you compare with the upper part here, you have the dy dx, but here, nothing. Here, nothing. So just leave it as this. So we want to find the dx over dy, so we leave this one on the left hand side. So we just need to bring the plus 2 to the other side. So we are going to get 6x to the power of 2 dx over dy is equals to 45 y to the power of 4 minus 2. So you are going to get the final answer dx over dy is equals to 45 y to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by 6x. Okay, so you can try to deal with the same method on the question number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So we are 7 and 8. It's supposed to be 8 here. So let me try to correct it. Okay, so if you got any question regarding it, so we can discuss, and I will also provide you with the final answer in the Telegram. Okay, so see you class. Hopefully you try to watch my video and do all the exercise I mentioned, because we are going to have our test one soon. Okay, thank you.